guys, welcome to the Altruist IELTS. I am Janu and today we are going to learn about some new vocabulary as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. So our first word is retain. It is a verb form and the meaning of retain is to continue to have that thing. Like if you retain a lawyer, you pay him or her a fee to make sure that he or she will represent you when your case comes before the court. The synonyms of the retain are maintain, keep, reserve, and preserve. Let's look at some examples of the verb retain. Like he retains a deep respect for the profession, or he decided to retain him for the trial. Now let's look at the collocations of the retain. So retain control, retain title, retain as, retain for, retain in, retain until. And the other things related to retain is the third person singular present tense of retain is retains. Present participle form is retaining, as known as V4 is retaining, and the past tense and the past participle form of retain is retained. Now let's jump to the new word. It is sanctify. Sanctify. It is a verb and the meaning of sanctify is to officially approve by the holy person or the priest or any other holy person if they approves it or declare it to be a holy. If an organization or event sanctifies something, it make it approved of and respected or unable to be changed. Let's look at some of the synonyms of the verb sanctify. It is approve, back, and support. And let's look at the examples. She is trying to make amends for her marriage not being sanctified. There is a law that sanctifies changes that have already occurred. I don't think so. There are the collocations related to verb sanctify. And let's look at the other things. The third person singular present tense of sanctify is sanctifies, like he sanctifies, she sanctifies. The V4 or present participle form of sanctify is sanctifying, and the past tense and past participle form of sanctify is sanctified. Okay, so now let's move to our third word. It is infringe. It is a verb. Let's pronounce it again. It's infringe. If someone infringes a law or a rule, they break it or do something which disobeys it. Like if something infringes people's rights, it interferes with these rights and does not allow the freedom that they are entitled to. The synonyms of the infringe can be violate, break, disobey, or contravene. It is an informal word, so we don't usually use that word in formal writings. The examples could be the jury ruled that he had infringed no rules. They rob us, they infringe our rights, they kill us. Let's look at the collocations. Infringe laws, that means to break the laws. And the other things related to infringe are the third person singular present tense form of infringe is infringes. He infringes the law, as an example. Present participle or V4 form of infringe is infringing. The past tense or past participle form of infringe is infringed. So, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.